What's going on YouTube? So I ordered a bird helmet from the Bird Scooters. It was $5 shipped, so you can choose between small, medium, and large. So this is a quick unboxing of it. I ripped the tape off and I ripped the label off so you can't get my address. But other than that, I have not opened it. So this looks to be sort of pack list. Free helmet, large. Well, I ordered medium, but I got a large, I guess. This is location good. There's no pricing on it, but it was $4.99 exactly shipped. So pull this out of here. So it's sitting in here like that. Got an owner's manual. Certified. It's got some warning on the inside there. Let's take it out. Alright. Looks to be, it's got the bird logo there. Looks to be like a standard skate helmet. Yeah, matte black it looks like. Kind of thin plastic. Rivet going through, foam lined. It's not a MIPS. Like it doesn't have that MIPS layer in it like the bell. So $5. I don't think anyone's expecting that anyway. But yeah, looks like a quick little city helmet you can ride with your road bike. It's got like a red clip here. Interesting. Bicycle sports helmet. Right. Looks like I did get the large, and that's about it. It's a pretty basic helmet here. I think that's a sticker. You can peel it off. Let's see. Yeah, you can peel that off if you want. I won't do it on camera. It's going to leave some residue on it. But yeah, it looks good. Should recommend getting one.